Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to download Instagram video. First, go to your Instagram app. And let's say this is the video that you want to download. Just click on it. And find this icon at the bottom right corner of your phone. And just hit it and click add to your story. When you add it, it will show you this. And just find the three dots at the upper right corner. And click save. And there you have it. You have just downloaded the video on your device. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.